Hey guys, welcome back to Junk Junkies. And this weekend we are getting out.
Woo woo!
Jesse is very, very excited. He has been cooped up way too long. So in our typical adventures, we are literally, that's it. We are adventuring. We are going, we're seeing, we're doing new, we're go, 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 go. But this weekend we are sit. Because, I mean, we are still limited in what we can do and where we can go. But we do have that super special secret campsite that is open for us. And we are going to go and just relax.
Yeah.
I myself am still working, so I need a much needed relaxed time. Anyways, that's what we're going to do. And
try out the new Traeger.
Oh yeah, we've got the new Traeger going on. Jess
So
got
if you're
that.
interested in smoking food, or just smoking in general, you know, whatever, that's your choice. But we're gonna smoke some food.
Yes, Jesse's getting that all dialed in.
Got the new lithium battery installed.
Yeah, we're gonna do a test on our new lithium battery install and see how that's working, functioning.
Yeah, links below for all those things.
Yeah, check out links below. We'll share all those down below for you. Numerous options for this weekend, but number one was to straight up get away from the house.
We were finally able to make it, and we're all set up here at one of our favorite campgrounds. Kind of a little hidden secret here in Utah. Before I worry too much about the battery and all that stuff, I'm just going to appreciate this great campsite. Right next to the river, sun setting. Oh, it is our favorite place if we want to come camping and just relax. And that is the plan this weekend, is just to sit around, relax, and enjoy. Can't believe it. Washed and waxed Goldie this week. Coming up here. Gosh darn bird crapped on it. Or else those are giant grasshoppers. But the rest of it looks pretty good. Comment down below. Where's your, well, not where. Do you have a favorite campsite or favorite little hidden gem campsite? I don't want you to give it away because I'm not going to give this place away. But I hope everybody has their own little place like this that is just where they like to go to when they want to get away. And just easy, hospitable, cheap, which is nice as well. All those sort of things.
Trying to find when we are out and about is ice cream. That's kind of Jesse's thing, is going and get ice cream everywhere. So I solved that problem by getting an ice cream maker, which is really kind of fun. Mix your own, add your own things to it, add cookies, fruit, whatever it may be. Today I'm just doing regular old vanilla so we can have root beer floats. Something that's really nice about this particular machine is you do not have to worry about salt and ice and letting it sit there and churn and churn and churn for, I don't know, forever. This machine is like 25 minutes. I mean, it's not solid, but it's cold enough that you could eat it then, or you could just pop it in the freezer and have it a little later.
So in trying to keep with the relaxing weekend, I set up my hammock for the first time. Had this for probably 3 years. Kara gave it to me a few years ago and never used it. And now I'm feeling like a complete idiot for never using this thing. It is great. So, just sitting here and completely just relaxing and enjoying the view.
I got looking around, wondering where Jesse was. And he was not kidding when he said he was going to have a relaxing weekend. Here he is, I'm guessing asleep in his hammock. And it's like barely 11:30.
One of the things that we love about camping is cooking new things, and today we are going to be trying out our Traeger Tailgater. This little grill, well, I guess smoker, should be a nice complement to all of our other things that we do. Typically, we like to barbecue with our Weber, little Weber Q or mini Weber. Great little grill, but we decided to try smoking with the Traeger. The Tailgater, nice and light, able to move it really easily, and today we are going to do a tri-tip. I know typically when you come camping it's hot dogs, hamburgers, and peanut butter and jam sandwiches, but not today. These new Traeger smokers have made smoking and cooking so easy. It's the turn of a dial and put it on at the right temperature. Their phone app even has all sorts of recipes and tells you exactly what you need to do. And if you have the models, your phone can actually program into your Traeger. So I don't have mine set up to do that, but I know some of the fancier ones can do that. Alright, time to see how it turned out.
That Jesse had so much fun cooking and making such a mess. He now gets to clean it all up.
But the tri-tip was good, right?
Yeah, consensus was that everything was good.
Now for some homemade ice cream and root beer, right?
Yes.
Some good root beer floats and maybe some s'mores, and then insulin for everybody.
Alright, so here we are to the end of our meal. We are having our homemade ice cream. It seems to be that everyone is enjoying it so far. Well, they better, because I put in 25 minutes worth of work for it. Anyways, thanks for joining us on this adventure this weekend, and enjoy your weekend.